we really haven't seen any crack in this momentum move. We haven't seen even the slightest hesitancy of the momentum stocks starting to slow down. They're continuing to get higher away from their 50-day and 100-day moving average. They continue to be the leaders, not only in August, which was lower volume, but even back in July. And so until I see some sort of argument that there is going to be some sort of leadership elsewhere, I think you should run with it. Don't fight it. And there are a lot of good companies that less risky than, let's say, a Zoom, that still work very well within the momentum space, particularly your semiconductors, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, all very strong balance sheets, very good, strong earnings growth looking ahead. So I think these are safe bets, even with momentum world. And as long as we're within this TINA environment, I certainly think going large cap momentum is actually one of your safer bets, even though, and I agree with all of the cases that Bob laid out for the bear market and the concerns, and as an institutional investor, certainly I agree with those concerns and they do worry me. But until this momentum trend even starts to see some slowing down and starts to see a crack, I say run with it. And so at least for the first half, if not all of September, keep those stocks on board.
So David, Erin makes a convincing case to go with the flow. What do you say?
Well, Tyler, we really would like to be more constructive on this market, but it just doesn't make sense to us. And the reason being is because in a normal economic recovery, you don't see large cap growth stocks lead. They lead at the end of a cycle. You see small caps, you see cyclicals lead, and we're not seeing that. If we started to see small caps and cyclicals start to take over the mantle from large cap growth, we would be much more constructive on the market. At this point, it's just hard to see sustainable economic growth. We had a very low bar. We achieved beating that bar, but we need to see sustainable economic growth, and that's probably going to take a vaccine or some sort of sustainable treatment to get us there. Ultimately, though, small caps and cyclicals leading would give us a lot more comfort about the sustainability of this advance.